Chance for Hearts of Lions. Obeng Jnr. and Obeng Jnr. scores against the Phobians. Kwadwo Obeng Jnr. have broken the deadlock against his former side. Just under 10 minutes and the Phobians are in the lead. Gbese, Kwadwo Obeng Jnr. The stone that the builders refused becomes the head cornerstone for Hearts of Lions.
Interested. Moments ago, we're talking about his partnership with Abedi Gutete, what it did that was onto the left foot. Just look at that corner kick. Just went a bit low, and Obeng Jnr. was the intended target. He gets it, turns onto that left foot, and just strikes that one past Benjamin.